Hey everybody, Sylvia here, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I am all about trikes and travel. I have been traveling by trike for over 12 years. I've been on 6 continents in over 20 countries. I have cycled more than 50,000 miles. And this channel, it has tips, tutorials, reviews, but mostly it follows the continuing adventures of Myrtle the Turtle, the name of my tricycle, as we go around the world very, very slowly. Thank you to everybody for subscribing and following along. Today, I left the little town of Planeta Rica, and I came out to find a big parade going on. Well, not so big, but it was kind of a special day. It was Dia de los Niños, and they have a parade for the little kids of the town. And all the little kids had horse heads on a stick. Remember those? Oh my gosh, it was absolutely adorable. So I stayed to watch that a little bit. Going through a toll booth here. This tour is coming to an end. My visa is expiring. I need to get out of the country, and I really wanted to spend 2 weeks in Medellin. I've signed up for Spanish language classes for my last 2 weeks, and the whole thing's very reasonable. The room is $20 a day. It's about a 20-minute walk, 15-20 minute walk to the school from their apartment. And I signed up for 4 hours of classes 5 days a week, and it comes out to be about $35 a day. I think the whole thing's pretty reasonable, so I think the last 2 weeks of this tour will be a lot of fun and very interesting. So today, I'm headed to Caucasia, and then from Caucasia, I'm going to get a bus to Medellin. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, so I'm in Planeta Rica. I've come out of my hotel and there's a parade. It is Day of the Children. This is a yearly event just in Planeta Rica. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. How fabulous is this? Oh my gosh. Look at all these children. Oh my gosh, and they're little horses. Oh. Just the cutest things ever, huh? Planeta Rica! Oh, look at these guys dancing in their costumes. Followed up by the army. Yeah, dudes. So there you go, little Planeta Rica and the parade for the children. All right, Myrtle, let's go. Find our way out of this town. Mangos amarillos. Adios. Wow. It's mango season. Oh, gracias. No puedo comer azúcar. No es posible para mí. Muchas gracias. Sí.
Dios te bendiga.
Yeah, gracias.
Ya está aquí, llegando a este sector, la
Oh, isn't
piña
that
oro
sweet?
miel con calidad de
Wow.
presentamos piña picada requitosa para degustar hoy
Pájaros,
y siempre
para vender.
bien fría a
¿Sí?
10 pesos.
Pájaros.
La bolsa de piña
Wow.
picada con lechita y sal.
Muy
para
coloroso.
degustar en el día de hoy.
¡Wow! ¡Increíble! ¿Qué es? Tucán y... Ok. ¿Y? Periquito. Más periquitos. Oh, verdes. Periquitos verdes. Oh, increíble. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hombres de aves. Oh, hola, perrito. Oh, qué sweet this is.
Tiene calor. Mucho sol.
Sí, es increíble.
Calor, después frío, después todo.
Ah. Hola, perrito. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh, he's got a little bowl of water.
Toma. Voy a descansar.
Yeah, I can saw. Oh. Caballero. Crossing the Rio San Jorge. See if I can lift the camera high enough. Can you see anything? Oh, holy moly, it is hot out here. Oh my goodness. I am being seared. Seared like a tuna on the grill. Oh! Wow, and it's humid. And I think I have 10 more miles to go. Woo! Woo! Doggies! Doggies is hot. Horses and cows. Ha! Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Holy moly. I'm getting there though. I am crossing from the Departamento de Córdoba and Antioquia. The Departamento de Antioquia is where Medellin is. So yeah, we're getting there. Oh, so when I get to Caucasia, the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Terminal de Transporte to see about getting a bus or a van to Medellin. Okay, I am in Caucasia, and I think this might be the last ride of the tour. Here is the light. I'm at the bus terminal. I just bought a ticket. Oh, you guys, I did it. I am on a bus. Like, I just decided to come into the terminal and see what it was going to cost, if they could have buses that were big enough for the trike. And all of a sudden, a bus came and there was room. And so I just said, okay, I'm going to Medellin right now. And it was 70,000 pesos for the ticket and for Myrtle. It was almost as much for Myrtle as it was for the ticket. But still, I think that's about $25, something like that. So anyway, it's all good, and maybe it's about a 4-hour bus ride, and then I'll be in Medellin. The only thing that's not great about this situation is I'm going to get to Medellin at night, and I never like riding at night, and I'm going to have to ride to a hotel. I'm sure it'll be fine. All right, onward to Medellin. Okay, so this is my room. This room is 40,000 pesos, which is about $13. It has a fan, no air conditioning. There's only one window, which looks out to the hallway, and a bare light bulb. And then the bathroom, everything's very small. I have a shower curtain, no shower head, but look, I have hot water and a toilet seat. And Medellin is at a much higher elevation. I think it's like around 7,000 feet. So I kind of expect that the showers now will have hot water. Oh my gosh, yesterday when I arrived, it was just a huge thunderstorm. Just rain was bucketing down. I was absolutely drowned with water. Everything was completely wet. You can see I've got clothes hanging everywhere. My shoes are still wet. It was really unbelievable. I mean, the area around the bus terminal, all the roads are expressways. I had no choice. I had to get on an expressway in the dark, in the pouring rain. I mean, cars are just, you know, puddles of water are just flowing over me. Oh, what a night. A very dramatic entrance to Medellin. And of course, when I got into the room, you know, I'm sopping wet, trying to get organized, you know, and I saw a couple of cockroaches. Ugh, you know, icing on the cake. A big adventure, that is for sure. Welcome to Medellin.
Okay.